What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So on this video I'll be working on a license plate bracket. As you can see, I have my car show license plate on it. It's a simple bracket I made from two pieces of metal, but I'm going to remove it right now. I'm gonna show you guys the bracket, and then I'll show you how to make another one a little bit more simple than the one I made. For this one, I welded two pieces of metal together, and for the new one, we're not gonna need any welding in case you guys don't have a welder. So let's go. All right, y'all. So this are the brackets I was talking about. I just found two pieces of L-shape brackets. I don't know where they were from, but they have a bunch of holes. So I just got those two pieces, and this is where I welded them. This area, the area in the back, this right here, I bolted this to the heat exchanger bracket, and then put this side through the lower grill, and then bolted this bracket to it. So it's gonna go something like this. Then I just put a nut, and it's good to go. Yeah, so I'm back from Home Depot. I bought this piece of aluminum. It's a 2" by 36, and then I bought these two other brackets, hopefully to try and make two different brackets. With the aluminum piece, I'm just gonna do the same bends as this metal piece, and then with this one, I'll attempt to do a removable bracket using these thumb screws and some wing nuts. And I found all this in Home Depot. For this bracket, the plastic bracket, I'll throw in a picture from AutoZone. I found it, so I took a picture of it. That way you guys can find it. On these, let me just get a close up. That's gonna be the part number for that, for this piece right there, and for the aluminum right there. All right, so let's get this project going. So let's start off by measuring the old bracket. So here it's about 3 inches roughly, and about 6 here, and then another 3, and I'm assuming 6. Yeah, so 6, 6, 12 plus 6, 18. Now the aluminum piece, since it's 36 inches, that means 18 is the halfway point. We're gonna have two pieces to play around with in case we mess up one and we got the other one. I'm going to mark it. We have the mark here in the middle. Now I'm just gonna cut it and bend it. Arca. So this is what I have so far. It's similar, of course. The aluminum piece is a lot bigger, but we'll try it out, set it up, see how it fits, and then we'll keep adjusting it. All right, yeah. So that's the bracket on the bumper. It's not fully fastened, but let me show you guys how I got it in there. So we're going to the truck real quick. All right, so with that hole there, I'm just gonna bolt up the bracket to there, which is gonna hold it, and the bracket is just fed through the lower grill. Let me see if I can get out with one hand. There it is. All right, so this is the whole bracket. Like I said, just feed it through. Let's see, like so. And then once it's in, just push it and then bolt it up right there. So we'll be drilling some holes on it that we can bolt it up, and then we'll bolt up the license plate to it. Show you guys how it looks. Now I just need to start working on the second bracket, the removable one. See how that one comes out. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna start drilling this thing just to make the two holes real quick and then install it. I decided to make just one video for this bracket, and then for the other bracket I'm just gonna record a whole another video. That way I can put this one out for you guys quicker. Alright, so let's get drilling. Alright, we got 1 and 2. This one I made it a little bit high, so if I want to move it around, I'll probably do another one down here. That way I can adjust it. But for now, I think that should be good. Now let's get the license plate and try it on the truck. Alright, y'all, so there it is. That's how it looks. Damn. So it looks pretty good to me. There it is. And it's made out of aluminum, so you don't have to worry about rust or anything like that. It should last a long time. You could even paint it if you wanted to, but to me, that looks awesome. So that's gonna be the end of the video. Like I said, I'll probably do another video for the other bracket, so you guys stay tuned. Make sure you like the video, hit that subscribe button, and see you guys in the next one.